Releasing dopamine.
What's up, guys? Boss Sanus coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another?
Inside.
Brand new banger.
Inside.
Why you do it, John Crow?
But as usual, guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Guys, we be so dope.
Bruh.
So much. Be sorry, I'll be at work. We are do road. But we love who, yeah? The emotion right now. We could go in our video here. Alright, we don't know.
See, Goat Tief, them are here, yeah? See me? See me? Show your face for the book.
Yo, show your face.
Yo, show your face for this. Yeah, my one I Goat Tief them. Semi driver from Bulby, 10 miles. Go and charter then charter him. I'm missing them. I'm missing the car with the water.
And then fling off and go back. Let's go. Anything what you want to show that.
Let me see ID. Let me see ID.
Anything what you want to
Ratty. You catch a Goat Tief. And when them catch a Goat Tief, he must say, him not the actual thief. He must just the driver. Where them hire from Bulby.
Bitch, what?
But sir, I'm sure you did know say I quote them about thief. So you contributed in thieving the goat. So yeah, them still a go charge you. And to be honest, you're lucky them no kill you. You're lucky them no kill you, cause normally in Jamaica when them catch goat thief or animal thief, a straight chop up you get. Like limo. And it look like you know you one a woman them says two more in a bush. And when them a go towards the car, like them a say, oh God, the woman a say, boy sweetie. And them all a search up the man wallet. You're lucky them not kill you. Your God was on your side today. You better give her to God. That me I make you know.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some.
Voila.
You stupid.
The man,
Bruh.
they're on the opposite side. No, the toll road that the opposite side of the toll road that drive.
Why you do it, John Crow?
Watch out. Watch out. Oh, the box for this. Watch out.
Oh!
Watch out. You see why them say Jamaica is not a real place? You know say, my mind did tell me say, Yo, my mind it tell me say one day, one mad person in a Jamaica go do this. You know the only way, you know this only way why I do that because I now want to pay toll. I'm a try shortcut something. You see how Jamaican people unruly? Brother, what this? I don't know what to tell you. Comment down below and let me know, yeah?
Workers, let me tell you this. Don't suck up to none of them big people and none of them big companies. If them go on and them want to violate, you know, move on and go find something else. Because remember me tell you this, you see that one of them I notice say, them hotel and them big places and them big restaurants and supermarkets and all them something there. Come to the years when they go out and I make the millions. I make a whole heap of money and I make great profit, 300, 400 profit. So I'm to the 1 year now where the place mash up and the place rough now. I don't want to fire the people, them. I don't want to give them half salary, cut them salary and them something there. And brother, I idea you have to know say in any business, you know, win some, you know, lose some someday. So why when I lose, you can't stand up on the staff and the people them and show them say, yo, we're going to stand up with you now, hold it out and make it work. Because everything must come to a good one day. Instead, you know, abuse the people them and fire them and this and that. And then guess what? At them help build no damn business. People stand for something. You understand?
I agree. Romiech make a lot of big points right there, so. And we see that in Jamaica. Yeah man, he make some solid points. A lot of points. You know, cause at the end of the day, at the employ them, you know what I mean, put the company where the company there. Cause the CEO and the investors, them not gonna do the work. You know what I mean? Enough big company like this, current people want to pay them half salary. Want just run the people them as the man say. Want to all of the years them when I make some serious billions or trillions of dollars, 400% profit. And now the pandemic happened, you just want to cut everybody suddenly like that. You know what I mean? But business wise, if you think as a businessman, I understand what the business as a businessman and why they wanna cut people. You know what I mean? But also at the same time, Romiech say, if you see them treat you unfairly, leave. You know what I mean? But at the same time, it's hard for a regular man who just try to just left the work like that. You know what I mean? When him not have nothing else to look forward to. So more time you just have to take the little half salary, yo. A big seating you just mash up a whole heap of thing. But Romiech make some whole heap of points right there, so. But I also at the same time understand from the business side, from the owners and where they're coming from. And I understand from the little youth where I work for the big company them too, you know. And yeah, actually my talk still more time the owner them and the CEO them must stand up for them staff, you know, look after them still. And Romiech use himself as an example still, you know what I mean, call them and they hold out for them people. And I wish more company and people who own business can hold out, you know what I mean? Even if you go fire them or get rid of them, give them a nice little package and say, yo, yeah. Or if things should come back again and all them things. Some people them just fire them. But yeah, it's rough.
One.
You there? You good?
I'm from Kingston.
You are?
Yep.
We're in Kingston.
St. Mary.
We're in St. Mary.
St. Elizabeth.
We're in St. Elizabeth.
Manchester.
Who is the Prime Minister?
Me.
Who is the most famous Jamaican?
Oxtail.
Alright peeps, I hope you enjoy them short clip there. Not much now really go on. And thing, me dey have a clip me could put up with Cardi B and Offset, you know, but guess what I see? Me dey put up that clip there, YouTube on a yellow market and say it's not appropriate and one bag of thing, you know what I mean? But yeah, Goat Tief, man, you're blessed, cause normally them will not kill you, you know. Brother upon the toll, you're crazy. I hope them catch you, you are a madman. You endanger a lot of people's life. And Romiech make a lot of good points still. You know what I mean? Understand from your point, being a leader and thing, I understand from the business people them side, I understand from the hustler them, you know what I mean? The people them where just try and make the money and thing, you know? But yeah, comment down below, let me know your thoughts. And thank you very much for watching. You're the best! I shoot!
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could do slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not Mr. Maker. Big up the